The INKEY list. Glycolic acid. Exfoliating body stick is a game changer for anyone seeking targeted solutions for common body skin concerns. With its potent blend of 7% glycolic acid and 0.5% salicylic acid, this stick delivers effective exfoliation to combat KP bumps, ingrown hairs, rough skin, and body breakouts in just 7 days. The convenient stick format allows for precise application, while the inclusion of shea butter ensures that skin stays nourished and comforted throughout the exfoliation process. Whether you're dealing with ingrown hairs, KP bumps, or dry, cracked heels, this stick has got you covered. Plus, it's versatile enough to be used as part of your morning or evening routine. Just apply directly to clean, dry skin on the affected areas. No need to rinse off. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to address multiple concerns with one targeted solution. From exfoliating keratin buildup to unclogging oily pores, it's a comprehensive solution for achieving smoother, healthier-looking skin. How to use. To begin, apply the glycolic acid exfoliating body stick 2 to 3 times per week on areas of concern, gradually increasing to daily application if well tolerated. For overall body maintenance, use the PHA exfoliating and hydrating body water cream on other areas. For KP bumps, use the stick up to twice daily to exfoliate keratin buildup causing rough, bumpy skin. Address active ingrown hairs by applying the stick up to twice daily. Once improvement is seen, reduce usage to once daily to maintain results. Combat body breakouts by applying the stick up to twice daily to unclog oily pores. To reduce underarm bikini line discoloration, use the stick once daily. For best results, apply in the evening on clean, dry skin and wait 10 to 15 minutes before using deodorant. After hair removal, wait at least 8 hours before applying the product to prevent irritation. Once improvement is seen, decrease usage to 3 times per week or as needed. For dry, cracked heels, use the stick up to twice daily. For intensified treatment, apply a thicker layer before bed and wear socks overnight to prevent slippage. Ensure socks are worn immediately after application until the product is fully absorbed. However, it's important to follow the recommended usage guidelines, especially regarding sun exposure and hair removal, to avoid any potential irritation. Overall, if you're looking to improve the texture and appearance of your body skin, this worth trying.